Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to make a new account on TikTok if you got banned. So let's start. So if you can log in into your account, well, you have to create a new account on TikTok. So for example, imagine that we are now on sign up for TikTok. You can sign up by email, Facebook, or Google. So in case that you don't have a account, another account, just go to sign up with another email. You will write here your email address and then you press continue. Here you have to create your password and then just press continue. Your birthday and next. So for example, let's press this one. Okay. Now you have verified your email address. And when you verify, well, just put the code, the verification code that you have. So for example, let's find my email address. Here I have it. Let's wait. And just add your nickname. And it's done. So we create a new account on TikTok. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. Now only you have to add a picture, or if you want to follow people, or upload a video. So you can now use the new TikTok account. So I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.